Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Obapa. If you are new here, you are also welcome. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make skin whitening oil at home. So simple to make. Let's measure our ingredient. We need 87.5 grams sesame seed oil, which can fade scars and also clear eczema. Sesame seed oil is very moisturizing. We are also going to use 37.5 grams shea oil. Shea oil can reduce appearance of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines, and it's really moisturize your skin too very well. You can use any oil of your choice. We are also going to use 45 grams of macadamia nut oil. This oil is good for premature aging and also wrinkles. It has a lot of skin benefit. We are using 12.5 grams of licorice extract, which is very good for the skin. It really nourishes the skin, also moisturize the skin well, and it can also lighten or whitening your skin well. And this is a natural ingredient, whitening ingredient, and it's water soluble. We are also using 12.5 grams of pear extract, which is also whitening ingredient, which is a natural source of whitening ingredient, which can really also moisturize your skin and make your skin glow the same time, clear that spot or fade wrinkles, and make your skin very smooth. But don't forget, you can use any whitening or lightening extract or powder of your choice, and we are using 12.5 grams of mulberry extract, which also do the same work as whitening. And we'll be going to use 2.5 grams of fragrance oil, or you can choose to use essential oil. We will use 37.5 gram Polysorbate 80. You can choose to use Polysorbate 22 to make this. It depends on you what you have available. So we'll add all our lighting extract in a container and our Polysorbate in a container and stir very well to make sure that everything has mixed. For this recipe, it's easy interchangeable. For the whitening extract, you can use any whitening extract of your choice. Just follow the manufacturer instruction. If you are using powders, all you need to do is dissolve in water, or follow the instruction on how to dissolve your whitening or your lightening powders in water. And after that, you use your Polysorbate, because the Polysorbate is a emulsifier, so it's going to help to bind the water together so that it can mix with the oil. So I have added my preservative, which was 2.5 grams of preservative, and stir very well. And I use optiphen preservative, so I will add all my whitening ingredient, that's a mixture, to my oil. Make sure you stir well for it to combine, for it to emulsify. Make sure you stir well for it to emulsify well so that it doesn't separate on you. If it doesn't stir it very well, it can separate on you. So make sure you stir very well. And you can see when you apply it on your skin, you will feel oil. Yeah, so this recipe is so easy to make. It's so easy to make, and you keep stirring. Already I normally check my pH of my product, so learn how to check pH. So this one, you check pH for serums and you choose the right pH for your skin. I can't show it on video, sometimes it takes time, that's why. So you pour it into a clean sanitized container. I have videos that I think I show how to measure pH. You can search on YouTube to learn about how to measure cosmetic pH. It's so easy, it's not complicated, just that sometimes it can delay your time if you want the right pH. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and leave me a comment. Bye bye.